Hello my dear old friends, how are you? Yesterday our team take 2 entries. So today we explain you these methods. This method is SNR plus QM. SNR support and resistance, QM quasi-model pattern. Look here, resistance drop, base drop higher, high low, lower low QM when market retest in QM zone. So we will take entry, buy. Look here, resistance support. Support. So many rejections here, market made here higher. High low, lower low QM. And this is our QM demand zone, we mark this. Same. Look here, resistance. Resistance support. Drop is drop higher. High low, lower low QM. A. Look now, lower low. QM, E, QM2. When market retest and reached in QM zone, we take entry, buy from here. Buy. Look here. This is our first TP drop. Base drop supply zone with the support. Should our take, we take profit here. Buy and take profit here, same. Market again made here. SNR resistance, support QM. We mark QM demand zone, market reach here. Reached here and market. Our TP will first supply zone drop, base drop. This when market. Anytime in any time frame made. Methods our team will explain you every day, every week. So understand this method. So we will buy entry. And our TP will withdraw based off first supply zone. Sure, these entries are confirmed. If you have any question, you can ask anytime, thanks. And this method is support and resistance plus QM. Support and resistance plus QM.
Friends, how are you? From our team. Account management service available now. Broker type any as you wish with fast execution. Leverage 500 plate farm mount 5. Profit sharing 50%. You can contact us via Telegram. Thanks.